So this is the new Slidecam, the new slider from Varavon. I just got it in the mail today. So let's just see what's inside. So this is great that it has its own bag. Nice to carry it, and the first thing that I notice is really light. Really light. That's cool. Follow focus. Whoa! It's a follow focus. Nice. Cool. So I guess this is a gift. And these are the folding legs. Nice. So this is like their unique selling point now, with these adjustable legs. And I must say they look pretty cool, and the build quality is nice. It feels solid, it feels quality. Okay. Another leg here. And the rail. Sweet, sweet, very smooth gliding. So the carriage runs on ball bearings, which are inside. It has 3 of them, 2 on one inner rail and the third in the middle. And of course you have these markings. Cool. Some threaded holes to fix it on a tripod. 2 in the middle, 2 to the sides. Cool. So let's assemble it. Cool. So now I have a slider. Great. This is just great. So let me give you some comparison. So I have this one, the Digi slider, which is nice, but it's not so good for manual shooting because it's a friction slider, and when you have a heavy camera here, the movement is just not smooth enough. It's just too jerky. Whereas with this, you can move it slowly, and you can also pan the ball head if you want. The same here, but this is just too heavy for manual shooting to carry it around, and with the motor and everything else. So I think I'm gonna use this one for short scenes in manual mode, and I'm gonna use this just for time-lapse only. Yeah, so this is the slider. It looks really cool. I mean, look at it, it's quite sexy, I might say. And these foldable legs are just amazing. You can turn them, you can twist them, and of course you can even turn this one if you need. Anyway, this looks great. I'm gonna take it out and show you some test shots. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.